You're not tired. You keep telling yourself that. I'm just exhausted. Today was a lot. I'll do it tomorrow. But if that was true, why do you suddenly have energy when it's something easy? Scrolling, watching, escaping. It's strange, isn't it? All day you feel drained, but the moment responsibility shows up, your body shuts down like it's protecting you. That's not exhaustion. That's avoidance. And the worst part, you don't even realize you've built your entire life around it. It didn't start like this. You weren't always like this. There was a version of you who had urgency, who felt something, who believed time actually mattered. You used to say things like, "I can't waste another day." Now, you waste entire weeks and barely notice. Something changed. Not suddenly, not dramatically, quietly, dangerously quietly. You started choosing comfort in small, invisible moments. One delay, one excuse, one later, and nothing happened. No consequences, no pain, no loss. So your brain learned something powerful. You can escape and survive. That's when it started. Avoidance isn't loud. It doesn't look like failure. It looks like normal life. You wake up, check your phone, scroll a little longer than you should, tell yourself you'll start after this. Then something else shows up. A video, a message, a random thought, and suddenly, the moment is gone. But here's what you don't see. Every time you delay, you train your brain to run. Not from work, not from effort, from yourself. Because deep down, you know what you're supposed to be doing. And that's the problem. It's not confusion. It's not lack of clarity. It's recognition. You know the thing you've been avoiding. The thing that sits quietly in the back of your mind while you distract yourself with everything else. That one thing that actually matters, that actually moves your life forward. But the moment you think about it, you feel something. Pressure, discomfort, resistance. Not because it's hard, but because it exposes something you've been hiding from. The truth is, if you really tried, you'd find out what you're capable of. And that's terrifying. Because right now, you still have an excuse. I haven't really tried yet. So failure isn't real. It's hypothetical, safe. But the moment you fully commit, that protection disappears. Now it's real. Now it's you. So instead, you stay in this strange middle ground, not failing, not succeeding, just avoiding. You call it being tired, but your mind is wide awake. It's calculating, protecting, keeping you exactly where you are. And it's working perfectly. Look at your routine. Not what you say you'll do, what you actually do. You avoid starting. You delay finishing. You distract when things get uncomfortable. And then you reward yourself for surviving the day. That's the loop. And it's designed to feel normal. Because if it felt dangerous, you'd stop. But it doesn't feel dangerous. It feels manageable. It feels like, I'll fix it soon. I just need a reset. I'll get serious tomorrow. You've been saying that for a while now, haven't you? And tomorrow keeps moving. Here's what's really happening. You're not avoiding effort. You're avoiding confrontation. Not with other people, with yourself. Because the moment you sit down with no distractions, no noise, no escape, you're left with something uncomfortable. Silence. And in that silence, everything shows up. The gap between who you are and who you said you'd become. The promises you made. The ones you broke. The time you lost. The potential you ignored. That's what you're avoiding. Not the work. The awareness. Because awareness forces a decision. And decisions remove excuses. So instead, you stay busy doing nothing. You scroll, you consume, you think, you plan, you imagine. But you don't move. And the longer you stay here, the harder it gets to leave. Because avoidance compounds, just like progress. Every day you don't act, you make it easier not to act tomorrow. It becomes your identity. You start to believe things like, I'm just not disciplined. I don't have the energy. This isn't for me. But those aren't truths. They're adaptations. Your mind reshaping reality to justify your behavior. Because accepting the real reason would mean facing it. And you're not ready for that. So instead, you stay tired. But let's be honest. You're not tired when it's something easy. You're not tired when it's something comfortable. You're not tired when there's no pressure. You're only tired when it's time to become someone else. That's not exhaustion. That's resistance. And resistance always shows up right before change. But you've trained yourself to escape it. So now, every time growth appears, you disappear. Think about that. Every opportunity to change, you meet it with delay. Not because you can't handle it, but because you've learned not to. And now it feels automatic. You don't even question it anymore. You just say, I'm tired. And the day ends again. There's something else happening too. Something deeper. You've started confusing comfort with safety. You think because nothing is going wrong, everything is fine. But nothing going wrong isn't the same as something going right. You're stable, not progressing. And stability can feel like success when you've lowered your expectations enough. But deep down, you know, that feeling you get at night when everything slows down and there's nothing left to distract you, that quiet discomfort, that's not anxiety. That's awareness trying to break through. And every night, you push it back down with your phone, with noise, with anything that keeps you from thinking too long. Because thinking leads to realization. And realization leads to responsibility. And responsibility is what you've been avoiding all along. Because responsibility means it's on you. Not your situation, not your past, not your circumstances. You. And that's heavy. So instead, you stay tired. It's easier that way. No expectations, no pressure, no risk. Just another day, and another,